Okay. So today we are talking about examples for simple
tenses.
Sim-
Simple tenses.
Simple tenses and continuous tenses.
Continuous tenses.
Very good. So we are discussing examples for simple tenses and continuous tenses. Right. So now you just give me one by one only the examples for simple tense. Only the examples of simple tense. Right? So first give me one by one. I'll call you the names one by one. You just give me as per your name. Right. Now Rishikesh, give me your example for simple present tense.
Yes, sir. I was
I was
reading a storybook.
simple present tense.
I read a storybook.
Right. I read a storybook.
A story.
I read a storybook. Very good. Next, Hanish. Hanish.
I help my mom every day. I help my mom every day.
I help my mom every day.
Every day.
I help my mom every day. Very good. Next, Jahnavi. Simple present tense example.
The children plays in the ground.
The children, not children's. The children
Plays in the ground.
play in the ground. Right? The children play in the ground because children means plural. Okay, whenever you are mentioning the plural, you have to use only the base form of the verb, but we can't be able to add s or es. Very good. Next, Jahnavi, sorry, Danyata.
She writes worksheet.
Sorry,
Worksheet. She writes worksheet.
she
Writes
writes worksheets.
worksheet.
Correct?
She writes worksheets.
Right. Next, Ganesh.
He speaks English.
Very good. He speaks English.
English.
Yes. Have all given the examples?
Yes, sir.
Except to Uma Maheshwar. He is not at joined. Right. Alright. So these are all in simple present tense. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now what you have to do is I'll give you 1 minute time.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I'll give you 1 minute time. Within a minute, you need to transcribe them from simple present to simple past negative type. Simple past negative. Right. So have you all completed?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. So I'll call one by one. So first, Ganesh.
I didn't help my mom every day.
Very good. I didn't help my mom. Yeah.
Every day.
Right. Next, Rishikesh.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, give me your example.
The children didn't play in the ground.
Very good. children didn't play in the ground.
Yes, sir.
Right? The children didn't play in the ground. Next, Jahnavi.
She didn't write worksheets.
She didn't write.
Worksheets.
She didn't write worksheets. Hanish.
He doesn't speak English.
He.
He doesn't speak English.
He didn't
speak.
speak English.
Didn't speak
He
English.
didn't speak English.
Yes.
Sir, I had one doubt, sir.
Yes, ma.
You told negative to past, simple past. Simple past or negative sentence.
Yes, simple past negative. So that's
He
why.
didn't speak, sir. He didn't speak English. He didn't speak English, it will come, na, sir.
Already did form is there, right? So once did come, then we have to use only V1 form. We can't be able to use V2.
Sir.
Right?
Why, sir?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, what we are going to do is, we are going to change the same examples from positive to negative, right? So simple present to simple past, positive and a negative. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to change same examples from positive to interrogative,
Again.
positive to interrogative in simple future. Okay. So what is the first one?
It is simple present.
Right?
Simple present, simple past,
Simple present.
simple past,
Positive. Simple present positive.
Right? Simple
Positive
present,
sentence.
sentences. Yes. So this is simple present, positive.
simple past, negative sentence.
Sir, sentence spelling, sir, once.
Yes, yes, sir. S-E-N.
Right? Next. So what is the second part of the example?
Simple past.
Simple past is past,
Negative sentence.
negative sentence. Negative sentence.
Right? Simple past, negative sentences.
Simple future, simple now.
Right? Now what we are going to do is,
Simple future interrogative sentence.
Simple spelling.
Simple future.
Reverse you wrote, sir.
right? Simple future. Interrogative. Right? Interrogative sentences.
Yes, sir.
Right? Simple future, interrogative sentences we are practicing now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now, what you supposed to do is you need to transcribe from positive sentence to interrogative. But it should be from simple present to simple future. You have to remember that. You have to understand that. We are changing the sentence from simple present to simple future. Right. Yes, give me the example. First one.
Did I
No.
read the storybook?
simple future. It should start with
Will
will,
I
Will I read a storybook?
right? Will I
read a storybook?
read a storybook,
Storybook?
right? Next,
Will I help
Will
my
I
mom
help
every
my mom every day?
will I help?
Will I help my mom today?
Every day.
Will I help my mom every day?
Next,
Will I read a
Will
story?
the children play in the ground?
will the
Will I
Children play in the
will
ground.
the children play in the ground?
yes play in the ground, right?
Like go to school?
Right.
Will I
Will she
go
write
to
worksheets?
school? Will she write worksheets?
Yes. Will she write?
She write worksheets.
Write, not writes. Will she write worksheets?
Worksheet.
Right.
Will I help?
Next.
Will
She speak English.
Will he speak English?
Will you speak English?
Will he speak English?
Right. So will you speak English? Okay. So will I read a storybook or will I help my mom every day? Will the children play in the ground? Will she write worksheets? Will she speak English? Okay. This is what the examples. These are the examples for simple future interrogative sentences.
Simple future. Simple future interrogative sentence.
Yes. Now,
Simple.
so now what you're supposed to do is simple present, simple past, simple future,
Future.
finished. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now what you are going to do is
Continuous.
past, present or future,
Past,
continuous.
continuous, present, continuous.
Continuous tense.
Continue.
Right, let's start with simple present to past, past to future. It's finished. Now we are going to practice simple tense to continuous tenses. Simple tenses to continuous tenses.
Continue.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So what is the first one? Present.
Present continuous.
Continuous.
Continuous tense.
Right. Present continuous tense. Positive sentences.
Wait, simple.
Right. We are going to practice present simple to then present simple to simple past to simple future, finish. Now we are practicing the examples from simple tense to continuous tenses. Right. So the first one is present continuous positive sentence. Present continuous positive sentences. Example. Right.
My
Present
My
continuous.
Yes.
my friend is preparing for his exam.
I am reading
Reading a storybook.
a storybook. I'm reading a storybook. Okay. Next.
I'm helping my mom every day.
I'm helping my mom
Every day.
Can we write it every day?
No.
Because if you mention this, it indicates simple present tense. So I'm helping my mom. Simply.
I'm helping my mom.
Yes. Next.
My friend is preparing for her exam.
My friend is
Preparing
Prepare for his exam.
the children or
Playing in the
Children
ground.
are playing in the ground.
yes,
playing in the ground.
she write
Right? The children
was
are
writing
playing
worksheet.
in the ground. Next.
She was writing worksheet. She was writing worksheet.
Right? I'll call you on the names. One by one, tell me. Ganesh. So give me the next example. From simple present to present continuous. Ganesh.
She
Yes.
writing worksheet.
She is. She is.
She is
Writing
writing
worksheet.
worksheets.
She is writing worksheets. Next, Jahnavi.
He is speaking English.
Right. He is speaking English. He is speaking English. Okay. So now we are at present continuous positive sentences. Okay. Right. Now what we are going to do is we are going to change it from present continuous to right. Now what we are going to do is we are going to change these examples from present continuous positive sentence to past continuous negative interrogative. Okay, past continuous negative interrogative. Right? So now we are going to change it from present continuous positive sentence to negative interrogative. Past continuous negative interrogative. Right. So Uma Mahesh. Uma Mahesh, are you there?
He is in mute, sir.
He can unmute, no problem.
Sir, I am there.
Right. So change from present continuous to past continuous negative interrogative. Won't I be reading a book?
Won't I be reading a book? Sir, once again. Won't I be reading a book?
Won't I be reading a book?
Yes.
Right? So won't I be reading a book? Won't is nothing but will not. Okay. Is it correct?
Yes.
What is the tense here? What is the tense?
No, sir.
Past continuous. Then when will come?
Sir,
Was will come. Was will be.
I am confusing, sir. Sir, where I be reading a book?
Right.
Was.
So-
Wasn't should come.
Was.
Past not comes.
Were. Right? Was.
Was.
We should use in past tense. Was. Were. So it is negative interrogative.
Yes, sir.
So then it should be
Was.
wasn't I be reading a book?
Wasn't I be?
Wasn't I be reading a book?
Wasn't I be reading a book?
Wasn't I be, not IBAB. Right? Wasn't
Was.
I be reading a book?
What is the meaning of that sentence, sir?
So wasn't I reading a book in the sense you are questioning next person whether you were reading the book or not. So was, it is talking about the past action. So
Past-
when your friend
past
has
action,
arrived your
sir.
house. So when your friend
I am asking next person. Wasn't I be reading a book?
Yes.
I am asking next person
Yes.
about me.
Yes,
Yeah. Now I got it, sir.
right. Next. So you are just asking, if anyone if anyone says you that you are not doing that. For example, sometimes your friends may complain to your teacher. No, ma'am, he is not doing that. In that case, you can ask
I
your
am doing
friend.
like that. Like that.
In that case, you can ask your friend, wasn't I be reading my book? Wasn't I doing my homework?
Wasn't I helping my mom?
Like that.
Wasn't I am listening to the madam?
Right, like that you can say. Next example.
Wasn't
I be helping my mom?
Right. Wasn't I be helping my mom?
Helping my mom?
Right. Next.
wasn't
my-
the
Wasn't the children play in the ground?
Friends
But
playing in the ground.
not
playing in
in
the
the
ground.
playing in the ground.
It is plural, sir.
Children are playing.
Right.
Are be playing
One
in
more
the
day.
ground.
Was not the
Not was. Were. Weren't they?
not
Yes.
were not
Weren't they?
their children playing in the ground.
The children are playing in the ground.
Was I
Playing in the ground.
Right. Weren't the children playing in the ground? Right. Next example.
Wasn't writing worksheets?
Wasn't he?
She writing worksheets.
Yes, sir.
Wasn't she?
She writing worksheets.
Wasn't she writing?
Writing worksheets.
Worksheet.
What's it?
Worksheets.
Wasn't she writing worksheets? Right. The next
Wasn't
one.
he speaking? Wasn't she writing?
Wasn't he?
He speaking English? Wasn't he speaking English?
Exactly.
Was,
Wasn't he speaking English?
wasn't he speaking English? Wasn't I go to grad? Wasn't Rishikesh speaking English?
So now you're supposed to make
Future continuous.
yes, future continuous.
Negative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Negative sentence.
You just make it negative sentence.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, make it negative. Future negative.
Will I am reading a storybook? Will
Okay. I said negative,
Will
not
I-
interrogative. Negative, not interrogative.
negative? Yes.
I
I will not read.
I will not be.
I want to read a storybook.
Wait.
I want to
not
read.
be-
I will be.
I want to be reading a storybook.
Yes.
reading. Not to be.
Story.
Right?
Story.
I won't be reading a storybook. I will not be is nothing but I won't be.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Next.
Okay, sir.
I want
I won't be.
Won't be helping my mom.
mom.
I won't be helping my mom.
I want to be helping my mom.
No.
Yes. Next.
I want
The
the
children
children
The children
want to playing in the
want
ground.
to be
won't be playing in the
playing in
ground.
the ground.
Keep playing in the ground.
The children won't be playing in the ground.
The children won't be playing in the ground.
Next.
I want. She won't.
that?
She wasn't writing.
Wasn't correct?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Future
Right.
She won't
She won't
write.
be.
Right.
She won't be writing.
She won't be writing worksheets.
Right. She won't be writing worksheets.
He won't speaking English.
He
Won't
be.
He won't be speaking English.
He won't be speaking English. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt so far?
No, sir.
Okay. All right. So now, just draw the table. Okay.
Person. Tenses.
First person,
Second person.
right? Then second person,
Second person.
And then
Third person.
Third person.
okay.
Yes.
That's whatever.
Sir.
All right. Now, present tense. Next, past tense. Next, future tense. Okay. Right. So now, what we are going to do is we are going to write down the subjects and helping verbs for various persons, various tenses. So what is the subject? What would be the helping verb for different tense? Right. So what is the first person singular and plural? Right. So now first person singular I, plural we. Okay. Second person singular and plural you, same. Okay. Next, third person singulars and plural third person singulars he, she, it, they, plural. Okay. Now, let us discuss all the helping verbs. Be forms, do forms, have forms. These are the forms we are going to draw on the table. Okay. For the first person singular. Right. So first person singular. So first do forms. I do. Okay. Next, I am. Next, I was. Next, I will. Next, I have. These are the helping verbs we have to use for first person singular. For example, do forms, I do, I do, I don't, I did, like that. So did is common for all past tense. I do for first person singular. Am first person singular in present continuous. I am. Okay. I was. Wait a second. So we have past tense and future tense table also. So we can write down in different columns. Okay. So first, I do, I am in the present tense. Okay. I do, I am in the present tense. And have also. I have. Perfect tense. Present perfect. I have. Okay. I do, I am, I have. Okay. That is about present tense. Now come to past. I was. Then I had. Okay. Do form is also there. Right? So did is common to all. Did, was, had. For first person singular. Now future. Will do. Next. Will. Next. Will have. Okay. Will do, will have. That is about future structure for I. So am, do, have for first person singular. Did, was, had in past tense. Will do, will have in future. Okay. That is about first person singular. Now come to first person plural. We do. Okay. We do. Next. We are. And we have. We do. We are. We have. Okay. Next. Past tense. Did. Next. We were. Next. We had. Okay. We did. We were. We had. Next. Future. We will do or will have. Common. Will do, will or will have. Okay. Next. Second person singular and plural same. That's why I'm writing the same thing for both. Okay. Danita, I'll let you after the class. You can speak after the class. Right? So whatever the doubts you have, you just remember till the end of the class. First, let me complete this table. Then after we will discuss your doubts. Right? Next. So next, second person singular and plural both are same. So that's why we can write we do. You do. Next, you are. Next, you have in present tense. Next, in past tense. You did. Next, you were. Next, you had. Right? The similar way, future. You will do plus will or will have. Same. Okay. Now, the third person singular. Third person singular. I'll give you special conditions little later after the table complete. Then after I'll give you some special conditions. There are a few special conditions. I'll let you know that. Right. So the third person singular. For the third person singular, Imran, what should we write? Does. Right? He, she, it. He does, she does, it does. Does. Then he is, she is, it is. Next, has. So if you observe all the previous structures, there are only do, am, have, do or have, do or have, do was, did was had, did were had, did were had, like that. But here, instead of do, we are using does. Instead of am or, we are using is. Instead of have, we are using has. Okay. Next, did common. Next, was also common. Next, had also common. Right? Next, will do, will have. Same. Okay. Plural. They do, they are. Next, they have. Okay. Next, they did. Next, they were. Next, they had. They did, they were, they had. Next one. They will, they'll do, they will, they'll have. Right? So here also same. Okay. So what is the thing you need to keep in mind is, for the third person singular, do form is does, have form is has. Rest all conditions almost same. Okay. Rest all conditions almost same. Right? So here, one more modification I would like to give you. Right? So here, if you observe, I will. Right? Here, I will. Okay. And you can use will do as usual, will as usual, will have as usual. But instead of will, you can use shall also. Instead of will, you can use shall also. Okay. So now tell me, what would be the difference? What would be the difference if we use shall with I. So what would be the change? If you change instead of will, if you use shall, what would be the difference?